He is nearby. Oh crap. He is with P50.
It seems they are going to Federal Signal Corporation.
Stop right there. I am the security guard for FS. If ya wanna talk to the manager, I need your identification.
I'm Thunderbolt.
I'm 1003.
Do you have any French fries? I mean, I am Model 5.
I can wait out here.
Same here. Hi. How may I help you?
Why does your voice sound like 2001?
I am a T-Bolt 1000. I am set on chopper level 6.
Anyway, have you seen P50 and Triblaster?
They went to the reactor core.
Attention all workers. We will close in 1 hour. Get your things ready to get out of here. Thanks for the advice.
Now, if you will excuse me, I need to finish this Model 2.
Where am I?
Welcome to the World Model 2 number 2516.
Let's explode this place.
Hey, stop right there.
Darn it. We've been caught.
P50, you are under arrest.
Not again.
Hey, watch your language.
You first.
No. You.
Watch your speakers.
You watch yours.
No, you would talk
Thank
about
you,
the set
Matthew,
to
for
the
young
to
member
implement
of
to all my boy lost and went to the
That P50 failed me again. Dang it. But soon, that triblaster will kill everyone. More bags.